A journey of 3,000 years, beginning with a single thread.
Look around your room right now. Are your shelves overflowing? Are your closets completely full? Welcome back to The Healing Weaver. I'm Alex. Today, we are talking about our obsession with accumulation. We live in a society that constantly tells us, more is better. We buy things to fill the empty corners of our homes and to fill the empty spaces in our minds. We are terrified of a blank wall.
And I'm Carrie. It's true, Alex. We equate emptiness with poverty. But tonight, I want to show you that emptiness is actually the ultimate form of luxury. On the table, there is a miniature replica of a traditional Chinese folding screen, or Pingfeng. Historically, these screens were placed in the grandest halls of imperial palaces. But a Pingfeng doesn't hold anything. It doesn't support the roof. Its only purpose is to stand there and do absolutely nothing.
It just stands there, doing nothing. That sounds like a waste of space, especially in a modern apartment where every square inch counts. Why would you put a wall in the middle of a room just to block the view?
Because it doesn't just block the view, it filters it. Ancient architects understood that if you can see everything at once, there is no mystery, no depth. The Pingfeng creates a boundary. It stops the chaotic energy of the outside world from rushing straight in. It forces you to slow down, to walk around it. And behind that screen, it protects a pocket of absolute silence. It's an architectural pause.
An architectural pause. That's a brilliant concept. We are so eager to knock down walls and live in open concepts, letting all the noise and clutter bleed together. But looking at this screen, I realize that without boundaries, peace is impossible. We try to find peace by buying more self-care products, but maybe the real solution is just putting up a screen and fiercely protecting our empty space.
Exactly, i.e. You cannot buy peace. You have to carve it out by removing the noise. The Pingfeng teaches us that the highest form of elegance is restraint. When you stop trying to fill every corner of your life, you finally give your soul the room it needs to breathe. Less isn't just more. Less is everything.
Less is everything. For our listeners who are feeling suffocated by the clutter of life, let's pick 3 words from tonight's screen.
The first word is accumulation, the gradual gathering of things, often out of a fear of lack. She realized her endless accumulation of objects was just hiding her inner void.
Second is restraint, unemotional, dispassionate or moderate behavior, self-control. The true beauty of the design lay in its absolute restraint.
And finally, sanctuary, a place of refuge or safety, a quiet, protected space. By placing the screen there, she created a sanctuary from the outside noise.
As we close tonight, we invite you to look at the delicate, translucent silk of the screen on your screen for 30 seconds. Give yourself permission to empty the room. Don't think, just feel.
See you in the next weave. Good night.